just casually grabbing my little step ladder because we have to go steal a couple of lemons from the neighbour's tree. I'm that confident now, I'm really good. Alright, all is good now. Got our lemons. Let's start cooking. Hello and welcome back to another episode. This is Marilyn from Rosano's Casa. Welcome back. So today I am just going to make something super quick. It's a side dish. I am grilling just some pork, beautiful pork loin fillets. I know, I'm just grilling them outside. I have baking some potatoes and Brussels sprouts, and I thought I would share with you a side dish. I make this actually not as much as I would like to, more so in summer, but it was just perfect with what I'm cooking today. So it is a grilled zucchini, sort of like ribbon salad, veggie salad, if that makes sense. So what it basically is, I have literally just using a mandolin sliced ribbons of zucchini. I'm going to grill them outside on a non-stick pan, just with a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to add in a few ingredients into a bowl, and as the zucchini is coming off the grill, we just put it straight away in this sort of marinade and toss it through at the end. So you could totally serve this cold or warm, slightly warm, and it tastes beautiful, beautiful with the pork, especially because there's a little bit of acidity going on, so it cuts through a little bit of the fat that comes from the pork. Not that there is that much on there, but anyway, I'm going to flip the camera around. We'll run through the ingredients. This recipe is available on the website. I will link it below for you in the show notes. And if you like it, please like, subscribe, share, leave me a comment and let me know if you make this. And over on the website, you can always leave me a star rating, a little comment. It just helps other people, just see your opinion of the dish. And if you like it. Anyway, let's flip the camera around because I always waffle on so much longer than what these recipes need. Okay, so let's run through the ingredients. I've obviously made a little bit of a start on it. So we have zucchini first and foremost. I have about half a kilo here. Bear in mind that when you grill these bad boys up, that they basically evaporate. No, they collapse slightly and there's not much of them. And bear in mind this, zucchinis are just not that filling. So I don't know, I do about half a kilo. We have some lemons. One should be enough depending on how juicy it is. We have one long red chili that I have de-seeded and finely diced. We have some spring onions, which I have finely diced. We have some fresh parsley that I've roughly chopped. We have about 3 cloves of garlic, and I'll bring over salt, pepper and olive oil as usual. So what I'm going to do is I am first and foremost going to move this bowl because we are working with a very small surface area. All right, now this is my mandolin. I got this from like David Jones 100 years ago when I got married. No, I don't know how long ago, very long time. I do like it, to be honest, and there's like little gadgets that come apart. There's also like a little grater, like different attachments that you get with it, like a grater. It's probably blunt by now. I should get another one. And to be honest with you, don't know who invented this, but I feel like, and you'll understand when you see me do this, that this part should be further up because when you have a long vegetable and you're sliding it down. Anyway, so, but I think I'll probably just go to the Asian shop and buy one of their mandolins. To be honest, I feel like they're probably a lot sharper. So let's just move this aside. Bear in mind, so I start off by just be careful your fingers. I'm trying not to look at the camera and just focusing at the dish at hand. So I just do a few slices like that. Can you see, like when you get to a certain point? So this is a couple of millimeters thick. Don't do it too thin because, like I said, it just goes soggy and sloppy. So that's it, as we got each piece. And then there's this little attachment that you I just feel like when you use the attachment a bit too early, it just bruises the zucchini. So it basically glides. I feel like one of those, like, remember when you were younger, those like Danos Direct sales lady? which I used to actually hate watching, to be honest. Here I am promoting a zucchini Amanda Lynn. Anyway, the things that you do, slice a few up as such. I'm going to finish this off and we'll come back because it's quite, I don't know, either therapeutic or super boring to watch. I'm going to juice this in the bowl. Lots of pips, but this lemon from the garden is absolutely stunning. Super juicy, lots of pips. But, oh my God, I think the other day the cockatoos were attacking the tree and I was like, so tempted to just be like, to the owner, could you please put a net over your tree so that you don't damage the lemons that I steal off you? That would be fantastic. I would appreciate that. Anyway, oh my God, look at all the pips. Great. All right, let me pick them out. Hold on. That's the best I can do. A bit of pip, never killed anyone. Let's go in with our chili. Let's go in with our parsley. You could definitely add some other herbs to this if you like. You know, fresh oregano. I probably wouldn't do coriander, but thyme would be lovely as well. Let's go with spring onions. So I quite like the amount of herbs to this. Like I want it quite herby because zucchini tastes like nothing. It's like water, okay? So we need to give it some TLC. Let's go in with garlic. If you don't like garlic breath, then just half the amount of garlic. There's about 3 cloves in there. We're going to go in with some salt. And I don't need to remind you, do not use table salt. It's not very good. It's just not great. So let's use cooking salt or Himalayan cooking salt. Let's go in with some black pepper. Okay, season it quite well because these I'm not going to salt at all, the zucchinis. I'm literally going to spray a little bit of oil in the pan, grill them up and put them straight in here. I'm going to go in with some olive oil. Oh my gosh, today I am literally dropping everything, okay? I'm dropping everything. I'm making so much noise. I've cut my thumb on the blade of it was the Glad wrap, and now I'm using a really small spoon that's irritating me. All right, it's a very noisy tutorial today. I apologize, but it's Friday afternoon. I've had a week. I've launched my dessert cookie boxes, which you can order on my website. And yeah, it's just been one of those. I'm actually going to try it. I would definitely test this out, make sure it's seasoned well. Yeah. I could actually add a little bit more lemon, which I might do. So anyway, I'm going to take you guys to the pan and we're going to grill these up and that's it. Like literally, that's it. All right, let's go. And of course, someone is cutting the grass. And yes, I do grill outside because I don't want the stench in my house. All right, so let's introduce you. My pan is warming up. I've just got an electric little portable. Today I feel like I'm really selling this. And of course, a little bit has fallen off. Today is just one of those days. So, you know, if you're not here for the food, then at least you can laugh. Anyway, so this spray bottle you can purchase from like Big W. Woolworths has it as well online. You just put your own oil in there. And I like to use it because I don't like the pre-bought spray stuff because it's full of chemicals. Anyway, says the lady who loves a good chippy. I pick and choose what I like. Just preheat that, medium-high heat, and we're just going to add zucchinis like little soldiers, and we're just going to cook them up, literally like a minute each side, and just make sure you have, and I dropped a zucchini. Beautiful. I'm crying. Make sure you have this bowl with marinated concoction right next to you because as soon as these bad boys are done, not dropped all over the floor, I can't, I'm dying laughing. Once they're done, you're going to put it straight away in there. And while the zucchini is warm, it's going to soak up all that juice. You don't need too much oil. There's already oil in there. This is going to release like a bucket load of water. Well, not bucket, but you know, zucchini is basically crunchy water, much like celery. So anyway, a couple of minutes, 1 or 2 minutes each side, pop them in there and that's it. So, all right, I'll be back and show you how it goes. All right, this is what it looks like after a minute. Flip it over, another minute, and straight into the bowl. Like, who cut their grass? Anyway, I'm just being salty because the guy's stealing my show. All right. Let's go in, beautifully charred, straight into that mixture. And that heat from the zucchini will also sort of cook off the spring onions, the garlic, Just really intensify the flavour. All right, the most boring thing about this dish is just cooking the batches. So sorry, but not sorry. It's worth it in the end, I promise. And that is it. Literally, do not cook the zucchini too much till it's like completely soggy on the grill, because it will just completely break apart. Anyway, that's it. How beautiful is that? Honestly, see how much it just collapsed? I could have literally done 1 whole kilo of zucchini, to be honest. You'll eat it very quickly. I'm grilling up the pork as we speak. Let's have a look at this. Beautiful. I like this served warm. Grill some pork, some lamb, some beef, chicken if you want a vegetarian option, as is. Otherwise, you can serve it up with some rice if you're a carb lover, some rice noodles. Super delicious. I hope you love it. I will link up the recipe for you guys. And thank you for your patience. Let me flip the camera around. Let's chat to the kids in my face. Yeah. Okay, that is it. Thank you for another episode. Sticking by me. If you like any of these recipes, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share. It's a world. Recipes I'll link it below to go to the website. There's like a little print PDF thing. If you love it that much, I would love if you left a comment or for a review on the website. Apart from that, I'm grilling my pork out there, probably hoping I don't burn it, because that will just finish my day. I'll be done. I'll be done. Anyway, I love this so much. I hope that you give it a go. It's just simple and easy. And somehow I probably dragged this video out to 15 minutes. All right, bye guys. See ya. I'm not waiting for anyone. Oh, so good. I forgot to say, if you do this with eggplant as well, slice it thin, grill with eggplant. All right, I'm going to go now. Bye.